Beaufox, what y'all doing? What's up, YouTube? It's that girl named BleachTeaa, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing a hair review for a company called Beaufox. Now, I've ordered from this company already last summer. It was like July. So I'm gonna insert a little video right here. Yeah, so basically I ordered from them already. The hair was great at the time, but you know, sometimes when you order from a company from the first time, the hair is one way the first time, then when you order from it again, you know, it's a little iffy at sometimes. So I opened it from the shipping package already. It was just a regular FedEx shipping package. So this is the little drawstring little bag it came in. So you can see it's in a black drawstring bag and it says Beaufox on it. So you see it has their little logo here, and then at the bottom it says focus on 100% human hair. So you guys, are y'all ready for the hair? Are you ready for the hair? Okay. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I took a little peek in the bag, but I ain't really open it, like feel it and all of that. Okay, so here it is. So now I'm gonna be doing a bob. So I ordered a 12-inch closure and 3 14-inch bundles. Now we're gonna cut it short, and everything's gonna be the same length, and it's gonna look beautiful. So first up, we have one of the bundles. So I'm just gonna open this up. So it just comes with a rubber band around this part, and it gives you the inches. This is 14 inches. So I'm just gonna open it from the package. So it comes in a little hairnet. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you can see it. So we're gonna take it out from the hairnet. So happy, guys. Okay. I ain't get no shedding. I ain't get no shedding when I run my hand through it, girl. Let me not speak too soon. Oh, here we go. I got me a little mini strand. You guys not gonna be able to. Oh yes, you can see it. Yeah, you see it. So that's one strand that I've got so far. There's another strand. It just fell off my finger though. So this is 613 here, another strand. So it's just little strands of hair that's coming out. It's nothing crazy, but this is 613 here, the blonde hair. So 613 here, if we're being honest, it's bound to shed. Like, if we're being realistic, it's bound to shed. So yeah, this is the 14 inches, and the weft. Look at the weft. Look at this. Look at this beautiful weft. Like, so nice and thick, but I don't like how if you zoom in you can see like it's just mad hair sticking out like this, all not in one. Like, it's just, if you see what I mean, like, look, maybe not the best thing to do, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a lot of flyaways and things like that. So I have scissors, so I'm gonna take it out from the bundle. So I took off the little, it's sticky, it's tape. This little sticker thing, and all the bundles I've ever gotten, they always have this gold elastic thing around it. So yeah, now we're gonna cut this off, the gold band. Boom. All by yourself. All by yourself. All that happened by itself. It unraveled by itself. But the hair seems very thick and it's soft. I like the ends. The ends look really nice. Like, you see the bounce, y'all? You see that bounce? You see that bounce? You see that bounce? Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce that running like a basketball. If I got dope and don't stick it up. Bounce that booty like a basketball. Got dope and don't stick it up.
Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all. Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all.
Now we're gonna move on to the closure. I got me a 12-inch closure. What you guys are gonna quickly find out about me, I don't really like frontals like that. Just because I sweat a lot. Like, I sweat a lot. So yeah, so I got me a 12-inch closure. Yeah, so I don't really like frontals because I sweat a lot, and that's a lot of, you know, frontals are high maintenance and your girl don't got time. So it comes in with a little hair net also, so you just take that off and you have the closure. Now we're gonna brush through the closures, see if we have any. Oh yeah, I'm getting a lot of shedding. A lot of shedding. Beaufox, it wasn't like this last year. When I bought from Beaufox, I mean, yeah, they were shedding, but it wasn't this much. Like, y'all. So yeah, it comes with baby hairs. Can you guys see this? This is nice. It comes with baby hairs, and this is a 4x4 closure. Okay, so this is a 4x4 closure. Let me make sure it's 4x4. Let me make sure it's 4x4. Alright, let me see. Oh, y'all, look at that. Look at, can y'all see that? Damn. Y'all can't see that, but it's a 4. It's a 4x4, y'all. They ain't lying. It's a 4x4. It's a 4x4, okay? So now on to measuring the hair itself. Maybe this is not the best way to measure it, but yeah, I'm getting a little longer than 12 inches. Just a little longer, and I ain't complaining. It's alright. Maybe this is not the best way, but yeah. So let's try measuring the bundle. Now, and you stretch it out because this is body wave hair. This is supposed to be a 14-inch, and it's barely making a 12. Maybe this ruler is bugging, bro, but y'all, if you started off by where the weft is at, and you take it down, right? And then you take your hair and you put it down. It's supposed to be a 14-inch. At least it's supposed to be like a little longer than this. Beaufox, what y'all doing? Okay, so the hair does feel soft. if I put this to the nape of my neck, like comes down to like right here. So that's how this is. It feels nice. It feels really nice. Like it feels nice and soft. It got a smell. It's not a bad smell, but it got a smell. Like it smells like factory. Like yeah. It smells like factory type shit. But yeah, so I did get a lot of shedding from this hair, which is a disappointment. I got a lot. Like, also in this bag you get a thank you card. It got some pretty girls on here and free gift. Hi dear, thanks a lot for your order in our store. In order to thank our customers, we will choose 100 customers to send a free gift. If you can leave us a 5-star review with 3 to 5 pictures, we will send you 10-inch 100% human hair wigs as a gift. After you leave us a 5-star review, please make a screenshot. It said screenshot, but we just gonna ignore that. Please take a screenshot and send it to us. We will record it and ship out the wig as soon as possible. And dear, if you don't like our hair or if you have any problems, please contact us with our customer service center and we'll try our best to help you solve the problem at first. What happened after? Okay. We offer every customer a 15-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like our product, simply return it and get your money back. Hope you can enjoy our hair. Thanks again. Alright, well, we'll see if I enjoy your hair. Because it's a bob, it's like, it's okay, like with shedding and stuff. I feel like you can make an exception for bobs because, you know, they're short. But if it's like some long hair, I don't know what to tell you. So you got another 14-inch. I'm not gonna take it out the pack because, I mean, not right now because you guys seen the other one. So is this the free gift that they was talking about? Another 14-inch. So I got 3 14-inch 613 bundles and a 12-inch closure. Now this is the free gift they was talking about, because it said something about free gift on the card. So this is the free gift. This is obviously too dark for me. I have a sister who, like, my cousin's sister, she uses this stuff, so I'll happily give this to her because that's more of her skin tone than mine. But yeah, and she wears frontals, not me. I feel like you don't really have to use that if you're using a closure. Unpopular opinion, maybe that's just me. But yeah, so I will happily come back when my hair is nice and installed and cut, and I will show you how that is, and I'll give you an update on how the hair is holding up. I'm gonna be taking a trip to Atlanta. Woo! I'm taking a trip to Atlanta, so I'm gonna be getting my hair done for that. So, you know, and then I'm gonna be coloring it after the fact, but that's a surprise. Shh. We're not gonna spill the beans. We're not gonna spill the beans now. You hear, girl? You hear, child? Alright. Well, thank you for watching this video. I know it was short, but don't worry. I'm coming back. Don't worry. Got some nice soft sauce stuff for you. Alright. Bye.